5 Incredible health benefit of green beans. One of the oldest cultivated vegetables, inexperienced beans have many types you can select out from. String beans, French beans or snap beans are all wealthy in nutrients A, C, and K. They're an excellent supply of folic acid and coronary heart defensive calcium and fiber. Here are 5 incredible health benefit of green beans. 1. Green beans for energy. Green beans consists of approximately 2 times the quantity of iron compared to spinach. Iron is a part of purple blood cells that's important to move oxygen from the lungs to cells at some stage in the body. If you're suffering with anemia, dripping energies or low metabolism, then inexperienced beans is the mystical meals you need. 2. Green beans are great for skin, hair and nails. This dietary powerhouse can do wonders on your pores and skin, hair and nails. Green beans are loaded with and without problems absorbed form of silicon, which might be essential for the formation of wholesome connective tissues, and strengthening nails and boosting pores and skin health. 3. May help combat cancer. Intake of beans, in general, has been connected to a decreased chance of breast cancer. This may be attributed to the excessive fiber content material of the beans. High consumption of inexperienced beans also can reduce the chance of colorectal cancer. These beans are wealthy in numerous bioactive compounds that provide safety towards cancer. Their non-digestible carbs are fermented via way of means of the intestine bacteria, main to anti-inflammatory actions. 4. May help control diabetes. Studies display that inexperienced beans can set off useful metabolic outcomes in people with diabetes. Although vegetables, in general, are wholesome, the ones containing extra starch won't be really helpful for humans with diabetes. Green beans are non-starchy, they comprise much less starch. These comprise fewer carbs and are a super addition to a diabetes diet. 5. May strengthen bones. Beans, in general, are an excellent supply of calcium. Calcium can reduce osteoporosis chance. Green beans also are wealthy in diet K, that's some other nutrient important for sturdy bones. The handiest viable disadvantage of beans on this regard is their phytate content material. Phytates are materials in beans which can avert the absorption of sure nutrients, along with calcium. In different words, phytates are antinutrients.